Want to automate browsers using Playwright? Here's how to install it in seconds. Make sure to install Visual Studio Code and Node.js in your system. After installation, just open Visual Studio Code and go to the terminal. Let's first create a folder. For that, you can use the command mkdir. So I am giving it as Playwright Automation. So folder is created successfully. To navigate to that folder, I am using the command cd space the folder name. So I have successfully navigated to the folder which I have created. Now with one single command we can install the Playwright in our system. Command is npm init playwright. So it will take few seconds and it will ask some questions. Just give why. So we are going to perform the automation using JavaScript. So select it, hit enter, enter. So you can see it is installing the Playwright test. As you can see, it is installing all the browsers as well. Basically it will install the Chromium and WebKit browsers. Chromium and WebKit. Boom, you are all set to start testing with Playwright. And it also says us happy hacking. So we have successfully installed Playwright in our system with one single command. Thank you.